Hey guys, we're out here tonight. We're going to try and do the sealer with the epoxy primer and then get a base coat down on the bottom of the box here, the front of the box, and the back of the cab so we can get this thing dried up and ready to put on the truck so we can finish the rest of the work we have on it. So stay tuned. We'll kind of show you what's going on here. You can see the box here. Obviously, everything's rust encapsulated and wiped down. We got everything taped off so we don't get much overspray here. Hopefully that'll keep it down. We got the paint booth, but we're not going to set it up for this little bit here. If you look on the back of the truck there, we got the cab already, same thing. We're going to get that epoxy primer as well to where just so it's above where the box would sit, and then go from there. Thanks. Okay, so we got the first coat of sealer on there, epoxy primer. First layer on there, we're going to get that set up, and then we'll put our second coat on, and then we'll show you when we start painting. Okay guys, the fan's going to be a little loud here, but we'll try and do a quick walk around. Got the front of the box all painted, got the bottom of it painted so we can get the get ready to put it on the truck. And we also painted the back of the cab there. The rest of the truck's gonna be blue. We just wanted to get some paint on it so we could put the box on and start working on the rest of the body. It's just good protectant. I got the seal of the epoxy primer on there. I got the paint on there. Now we can put the box on, put the lift kit on, put it on, and then start working on the rest of the body on the box and get it in the primer and then ready for paint. We'll be able to use the booth for the rest of this, but we'll give you an update as we go here.